Jason and Kranz are on the chase after an enlightening experience. Yeah, I saw that. Jason and Kranz are on the chase.
She's on a three-way call and she's asleep. This is hilarious.